Isn't the whole point of this for us to give this baby a loving and stable home?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, great. Then we need to communicate.
We do. You do most of it.
About something deeper than if I've taken my vitamins or how late you're going to be working. We need to tell each other how we feel. Like if we're sad or upset, we need to help each other through it.
You just need to take care of yourself, take care of the baby, eat, sleep, and avoid stress.
Well, it stresses me out to see you so angry. You're about to put your fist through a wall.
Well, I'm not angry.
You were.
Well, I got over it all by myself. I don't need to talk about it.
What is so wrong with wanting to help you? You have seen me through the toughest time of my life. If emotional support were monetary, I would be in debt, I don't know, let's see, thousands of dollars. And I'd given you what, 50 cents?
Okay. You really want to help? Just stop asking how I feel. You want to talk about something? Let's talk about the baby. Or the weather. Or nothing.
Fine, fine. You win. For today. Because the weather's good, the baby's good. And no, I haven't eaten lunch yet.
Why didn't you tell me? I would have made you something.
I will do it. I'm going to take off my shoes. I'm going to be barefoot, pregnant, in the kitchen. Exactly the way you like your women.
On second thought, I'll cook.
I was teasing. Come on.
I know.
Okay. Well, then a good way to show that you get a joke is to smile. Or something. Laugh. Now, I'm serious, Jason. Children model their parents' behavior. And suppose she grows up and she doesn't know how to smile. Do you really want to be responsible for a humor-impaired child? No, I don't think so. You need practice. Lots of practice.